I walk the streets when daylight dies, with silence under city skies. The world is asleep but I'm awake, a shadow dancing for their sake. Behind the mask I hide my face, a broken heart, a steady pace. They cheer my name, they call me brave, but never see the life I gave. Spiderman, they shout and cheer, but they don't know what brought me here. Every web I spin's a choice between my heart and louder voice. I'm the one who swings alone through a city not my own. With great power comes the pain of love I lose and loss I gain. Still I rise, still I stand, I am Spider-Man. Oh, man. I miss the days when I was small, before the burden, before the fall. Uncle's words still haunt my mind. Do what's right, leave fear behind. Friends grow distant, lovers cry. Can't explain the reason why. To save the world I break my own, a hero made of flesh and bone. Spider-Man, the world believes, but Peter Parker barely breathes. Caught between two separate lives, chasing truth and tangled lies. I'm the one who swings alone through a city not my own. With great power comes the pain of love I lose and loss I gain. Still I rise, still I stand, I am Spider-Man. A man. Can you love a man you'll never know? A face behind the crimson glow. I bleed, I cry, I feel the strain, but I'll keep fighting through the rain. They see the suit, they see the might, but not the sleepless haunted nights. I'm the one who swings alone through this life I can't postpone. With great power comes the pain, but I would do it all again.